Lister. And they're off. Early lady is taken by Daddy's favorite on the outside, moving up by the rail is the favorite Ashikuda. Ashikuda in the lead, followed by Daddy's favorite, Amazing Damascus on the outside, and Sealed My Lips. Nearing the far turn, it's Ashikuda by half a length, followed by Daddy's favorite on the outside, Amazing Damascus, and Sealed My Lips, Not to Princess, and Douglas Charm is bringing up the rear. Rounding the far turn, it is still the favorite Ashikuda in the lead, followed by Daddy's favorite, and moving up on the outside, Sealed My Lips, Amazing Damascus, and here comes Not to Princess. The last bend for home, it is still entry number one, Ashikuda in the lead, followed by Amazing Damascus on the outside, and Daddy's favorite moving up on the inside is Not to Princess. The top of the stretch, it is still Ashikuda in the lead, followed by Sealed My Lips on the farther outside, Not to Princess by the rail. Ashikuda, followed by Sealed My Lips on the farther outside, now moving up to grab the lead. It is now Sealed My Lips in the lead. It's Sealed My Lips, followed by entry number one, Ashikuda. Finally, Sealed My Lips, Ashikuda, Not to Princess, Amazing Damascus, Douglas Charm, and Daddy's favorite.